Hello, everyone. Welcome today on the first June 2023, Thursday. Yes, first day of June. We have here one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku, and we have good news because after 5 days in a row, the additional is back. Yeah, it's back again. Let me show you. The additional is back. The publisher is back from holiday. Yes, we have here the letter Sudoku. Sudoku with 0 stars. I think this one is 1 star Sudoku. Sudoku with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. In Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve in the evening. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. But first, let me start with this medium Sudoku. Is this really a medium Sudoku? We don't know. But I've already counted the printed digits. This one has 29 printed digits. 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one, and this one will be number 6520. Why? It's easy because in additional, we have the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. The 1 star has 27 printed digits. The 2 stars 26. The 3 stars 25, and the 4 star Sudokus has 24. This one has 29. Should be easier than the 1 star Sudoku. In additional, for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. So, is this really a 1 star? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Alright. We have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. We have 8. Wait. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8. 8, okay. I cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 5, okay. The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this row. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then the 9 in the first column, the 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 5, okay. How about 3, okay. Well, need a 4 here. Yeah. Need a 3 here. Alright. 6. And come on. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3, 9, 6. Well, will be difficult. 5, 5, 5, 5. Well. We have here 7 and 7. 5 should be here. 5 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. Middle row, one of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. So the 5 in the middle row could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5. Should be there. Alright, 5, 5. 5, 5. Well, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. Well, here can be 5 because we have 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here can be 5 because we have 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have 5 in this row, so no 5 there. And here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this middle column should be there. Alright. Here we have a 5, and here we have a 5. Alright. And now. Need a 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the third row is number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 in the third row could be here, could be there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here a 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright, 4, 1, need a 1. Then 2, 2. 2. We have 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. 8. Yeah. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 2. 2. How about the number? We have a 7 here. We have a 7 there. Oh, we have a pair. We have a 7 and a 5 in this row. We have a 7 and a 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 4. Okay. 9. About here, 3 and a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. And 3 in the middle row, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3. Okay. So the 1 should be here, the 1, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. This 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this column, first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 3. We have a pair again, the 4 and the 3 in the first row, the 4 and the 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 3, 4 and 3. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. A 1 box left in the third row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And we have a pair again, the 4 and the 5 in this row, the 4 and the 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. And look, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column, the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. A 1 box left in this last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this row. Oh, wait. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again. And like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye.